Hello viewers, Namaste. Inviting you all for Department of Collegiate Education's digital learning class. I am Ashok Kannad, serving as an assistant professor, Government First Grade College Savalgi, affiliated to Rani Chennamma University, Belgaum in Karnataka. So this video is prepared for grammar and usage. In this sessions, we are going to learn that the interpretations of notices. So, what do you know about notices? I hope that you have seen many public notices as well as the private notices. So, in this sessions, we are going to study that what is a notice, what are the functions and the characters of notice, where we can find this kind of notices and types of notices and some examples. So the learning objectives, after completing these sessions, the students you will understand the science and the content of the public, and you will get the awareness, knowledge and caution of the notices, and understand their duties and responsibility to see the notices. And you inculcate and you should aware the public notices in your life, and you follow the public instructions in your lives, and you can differentiate between the various signs of various sign boards. So what is notices? The definitions of interpretation notice is that the notice is a written or statement. Usually it is a written or statement, and it gives awareness and informations, instructions, caution and warning to the people. After seeing these notices, we get the awareness on the informations and the instructions, and we usually seen with a written content or sign or a pictures. And we understand a sign of notices through the thinking of its implications. So we understand a sign of notices through the thinking of its implications. Next, what are the functions of notices? What are the functions? So it awares the people do's and don'ts. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. And prohibition notifies people not to do some things. So it instructs people not to do at the place, and it caution or the warning warns to be the careful in the handling something, and it guidance gives information to do the something appropriately, and the information notice provides the information that could be useful. So it gives the useful informations. This is the functions. And what are the characteristics of notices? So the notices have very short text and easy to understand, and we usually use a capital letters or the font, and most of the notices using the pictures and using simple languages. We use here very simple lucid language. So where can we find the notices? We usually find the notices in the places that the strategy, they are the public place. Example, park, terminal, bus station, airport, zoo, market, shop, mall, bank, street, and some time under the constructions of the building, a bridge, a road, a pipeline, etc. In certain buildings, example, school, hotel, office, in classroom, library, laboratory, garden, toilet, playground, and etc. So let us we study some of the interpretation of the notices. When we saw be aware of dogs, na ide echarike. So what it symbolizes? When we saw these kind of the posters or the pic or the notices, we understand that there are dogs in their home. and this is a warning. And the dogs may beat the strangers if they enter without the permission of their family. And we should aware these kind of the things without hearing and asking other people. So these are the kind of the notices. By watching we can understand we cannot enter the house without their permissions. So next, for example, no smoking. So these kind of the symbols and the pictures we saw in the public places, and it displays in the railway stations, bus stops, temple, park, petrol bunks, and theater, hospitals, and many ways in many public places. So what it conveys? It conveys the information that smoking is prohibited in these places. And it also implies that the smoking is injurious to the health of the public, and it is displayed as a warning to the smokers. So we should understand that the importance of the no smoking in the public places, and we should also understand the bad things what it will affect on our body. And these are the things we can understand in publicly. And when we saw these kind of the pictures, that is the school zone. So it is a display at near the schools on the roadside. It conveys the cautions that the speed driving is prohibited in this area, because of this is a school zone where the children can walk here and there. Admit may cause the accidents of the children, the students and the parents, etc. It is the displayed as a cautions of the drivers. ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಾವಕಾಶವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. Next, we see the silence please in the colleges or in the hospitals or in the organizations. So this conveys that we should not disturb the people around us by talking loudly, and because they are harm and disturbed others. It is we see these kind of the notices in the library and many offices, and the people are reading. When we are talk loudly, it will be destroyed their concentrations. So it is for all the people to maintain silence. So it causes the harm for others. Next, no horn please. So this notice board is seen near the hospital, schools, temples, and other peaceful area. And it conveys that the drivers and the riders should not go for horn sound unnecessarily. Horn should not be too loud, as it disturbs the people, patients, infants in the home, children in school, praying in the temple, and etc. So by knowing these kinds of the signals, we have to understand and what is its importance. And use me, we have seen this kind of the posters in the public places, and such as market, railway stations, bus stops, streets, company, hospitals, and the schools, etc. So we should not put the garbage spit here and there, waste materials like plastic, paper, etc. We have to put in this box, and we should not throw them any places which is causes an unhygienic for our lives. So we understand what is his duties, and everyone should understand our duties, and we should have join the hands to clean our nations as well as our home. And so we have seen some of the written boards. For example, keep silent, exam is progress, keep on the reach of the children, forbidden to leave school during the school hours, don't cross out the wall, only for pedestrians, CCTV surveillance, no parking, queue please, no entry, please pull. So these kind of the notices we have seen in public places. So in this way we understand the importance of notice and so its uses. So thank you for watching this video, and we will meet for the next sessions. Thank you.